Well, fellas, believe it or not, we did. Success. I wasn't sure if it could be done, but we did, in fact, flatten a 70s era Kiss record. I think it took at least 10 different sessions, and believe it or not, over 36 hours of baking time.
And 20 minutes.
It's 36 hours and 20 minutes.
Yes.
That was the total. Oh my goodness gracious. We're pleased about that. So that's great. But I also need to tell you that there will not be a regular episode this week because we're getting ready for National Record Cleaning Day. That's right, second Saturday in September. We're going to be at our local favorite Recycled Records here in Reno, Nevada, and we'll be cleaning records for any customer that buys anything that day, or even if they bring in one of their most treasured recordings. We're going to clean them for free. If you're not willing to do that on National Record Cleaning Day, maybe you could ask a friend or a family member or a colleague if you could clean a record for them. We all know that'll make the world a better place. I think you'd agree.
Don't you know?
We'll see you next week.